Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use momentcam. You can say OK and you should take your photo. Then you should choose your gender, age group, yeah, now it's OK. You should choose next. You can change these things, maybe your hair. You can choose some glasses, your eyes, blah blah. I'll choose ethnic. Yes, you can say save. Allow. Yes, that's all. There are many different types, most popular stickers, or you can choose caricatures. Or there are different categories, good night, birthday, maybe happy. You can choose which one do you prefer. Then you should download it to your phone. Let's control it. Yes, it's there. That's all.